They don't see the nights when you fight with your doubt, when the walls feel tight and there's no way out. But I found who I am in the darkest swings. Every test, every trial, pressure creates kings. I ain't bowed to the fear, didn't fold to the stress. I just leveled every hit till the struggle was less. Now I'm standing with a fire that the world can't dim. If the pressure didn't break me, then it ground me within. I don't run, I don't fold when the world turns cold. I get stronger from the hits that they never foretold. Every scar on my path is a crown I bring. I was built for the throne, cause pressure creates kings. Pressure creates kings, forged in the fire of